Unlocking the Circuit of Success, a guide to thriving in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a powerful phrase that's not just a key to language learning, but to life itself. Circuit of Success. This concept, though simple, packs a punch and can revolutionize the way you approach challenges, learning, and personal growth. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this compelling phrase. At first glance, Circuit of Success may seem like just another motivational term. But let's break it down. A circuit is a complete and closed path through which electricity flows. Metaphorically, it signifies a journey that returns to its starting point, indicating a cycle of activities or processes. Success, on the other hand, refers to the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. When combined, Circuit of Success metaphorically describes a continuous and dynamic process of activities leading to the achievement of success. It's not just about reaching a single goal. It's about creating a sustainable system or habit loop that fosters ongoing success and improvement. The Circuit of Success consists of several key components or steps that work together to create a powerful system for achieving goals. These include 1. Setting clear goals, the starting point. Define what success looks like for you. 2. Planning and strategy. Map out how you'll achieve these goals. This involves breaking down the goal into smaller, manageable tasks. 3. Action. The implementation phase where you execute your plan. 4. Feedback and reflection. Assess what's working and what's not. This is crucial for learning from mistakes and successes. 5. Adjustment. Based on feedback, make necessary changes to your plan or approach. 6. Repeat. With adjustments made, continue the process, using what you've learned to improve and move closer to your goal. This cycle emphasizes that success is not a one-time event but a continuous journey of growth, learning, and adaptation. Now, how does the Circuit of Success apply to English language learning? Let's explore. 1. Goal setting. Define your English learning goals. Do you want to improve your speaking, writing, reading, or listening skills? Or perhaps all four? 2. Planning. Decide on the methods and resources you'll use. This could include textbooks, language apps, classes, or language exchange partners. 3. Taking action. Start learning. Practice regularly and immerse yourself in the language through various mediums. 4. Feedback. Seek feedback from teachers, native speakers, or language apps. Reflect on your progress and challenges. 5. Adjustment. Modify your learning strategies based on feedback. Maybe you need to focus more on speaking practice or grammar. 6. Repeat. Continue the cycle, celebrating your successes and constantly looking for ways to challenge yourself further. By applying this circuit, you're not just learning English, you're building a success-driven approach to mastering any skill. The Circuit of Success is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset and a methodology for achieving your goals, whether they're related to language learning or any other aspect of life. By understanding and implementing this concept, you create a powerful tool for continuous improvement and success. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own Circuit of Success in English language learning or any other journey you're on. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and see where this circuit can take you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you succeed in your endeavors.